Many critics of Islam raise questions about the marriage of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Aisha, R.A. However, historical context, cultural norms, and biological maturity in different regions must be understood before forming an opinion. Let's examine this matter with reason and evidence. 1. Cultural and historical context. In many ancient societies, including Jewish, Roman, and even medieval European traditions, marriages at a young age were common and socially acceptable. Life expectancy was lower, and reaching puberty was often considered an indication of maturity. Even today, the age of maturity varies globally, and many legal systems define adulthood based on cultural and biological factors. 2. The character of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. If the Prophet, peace be upon him, had impure intentions, God forbid, why did he wait 3 years after the marriage contract before consummating the marriage? This alone proves patience, respect, and concern for Aisha, R.A.'s well-being. His character was exemplary. He never forced anything upon Aisha, R.A., and always treated her with immense love and kindness. Aisha, R.A. herself narrated how she deeply loved and respected the Prophet, peace be upon him, and how he was the best husband. 3. Biological and medical perspective. Puberty is not a fixed age. It varies among individuals and regions. According to scientific research, in warmer climates, girls can reach puberty earlier. There is documented evidence of girls in history reaching maturity at an early age, which was considered normal in their societies. Example, a reference from Wikipedia or a scientific work. 4. Ethical and logical argument. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was 25 when he married his first wife, Khadija, who was 40. He remained in a monogamous marriage with her for 25 years. This proves he was not driven by mere desire. His marriages had social, political, and humanitarian reasons, strengthening community ties and promoting Islamic values.